Bill, I've had it.
Huh?
With these.
What's the matter?
I went to menthol cigarettes for fresh taste, sure. But these have so much menthol taste, they drown out tobacco taste.
Maybe you're smoking the wrong one. Here.
Another menthol cigarette? Not for me.
Listen, Newport's different. Lets real tobacco taste come through.
Yeah? Well, let me try one.
What do you think?
This is what I was really looking for. A menthol cigarette where you can taste the tobacco.
See?
Newport is a cigarette designed to give the smoker real tobacco taste and enough menthol to keep the taste cool and fresh. Newport.